Okay, got a small broken bolt to get out. So that's a M8, looks of it. It's an alternator, and it's the first time I've actually do an alternator really, and it's just a case of how the hell I mounted it. So I've got a bolt through the lower arms, pinched up tight in the vise that's holding it upright, and I have got a plate underneath, because I've got to lift it up off the bed because there's like some wiring connectors and that kind of stuff, so that's supported on the bottom, and I've got it lightly pinched up on the shaft, not too much because, you know, look, you can still see moving. You can't preload it, but we've really restricted where else I can clamp it without potentially cocking it, and at least that is directly on the plate I've got underneath because it's in the middle, and it's relatively stiff. I'm only going to try and drill it out. It's not as if I'm milling it or anything like that, but it was a bit of a mishmash, but it's working. I think this will be okay. Interested to know what everybody else thinks, how the hell they clamp this. I haven't got anything big enough to actually clamp it that way, so we will see anyway. There is a slightly raised thread on the edge here, but I don't think that's going to stop me. The rest of it looks really quite level, so I'm going to go straight in with a drill and see what happens. Not happy with that, so let's put a centre drill in and try that. Right, that's out. I was a little bit out on my movement though, but Right, what he's asked me to do is drill this out, remove all the threads because he can put a nut and bolt in it. So there we go, longer to set up than it does to do the job, and that'll do him, I'm sure.